Hi YouTube viewers, welcome back to my next video on VHDL language. So basically you have given me a great support by 945 subscribers. Hope you will be supporting me more and more. I'll be making with these kind of videos every day. I'm planning but it's not happening with me. I'm sorry to tell you subscribers, but you'll not lose any hope. If you come here, if you see my videos, you'll learn something and that's the only thing I can do promise you. So let us start with some basic things. So basically in my previous video if you have seen, I was telling about some back-end programming, right? So that back-end programming, I know what I'm doing. I'm elaborating it. I'm making it some more videos because VHDL and Varilla programs still now we have done it, and I think many programs I have covered in this series of videos. Now what we are going to do, we will be going for backend also because many of members are interested in backend values also. So those things we will be seeing in today's concept. So the basic concept of today's is designing an inverter. So basically the students who don't know about this NMOS, this is your PMOS actually. Still this is your PMOS. Let me take your this is your PMOS and this will be your NMOS. PMOS is nothing but your bubble. Okay, so there P you will have a bubble, remember in the fashion. Okay, and your NMOS will doesn't have any bubble. So PMOS will conduct. Okay, PMOS will conduct when you Q 0. It will conduct means here the switch will be conducted and it will flow the VDD to your output. Okay, so if it is 0, okay, if it is like 1, for example, if it is like 1, this is not conducted, it will not be short and there will be no supply. Okay, there will be no. Okay, so that is the thing you need to know. So if there is 1, no supply. If there is 0, it will conduct. And similarly your NMOS, this is your NMOS, right? This NMOS will conduct when it is 1, then it will be conducted to here. And if it is like 0, if we give 0 here, okay, then it will be short and the total VDD will be going here. Okay, if it is 0 and if it is 1, then it will be conducted. Everything will be short. Okay, that is the only thing you need to understand. And the next thing is if it is 0, okay, there will not be any connection. Okay, from here to here there will not be any connection. That thing you need to understand. So basically what is a inverter? Inverter is nothing but whenever I give 1, okay, whenever I give low, my output should be high. Okay, whenever I give high, my output should be low. That is nothing but my inverter. Simple inverter. So this video I am making it so simple and so easy to understand because I found my videos are in such a way that I think all the things you know, and then you are coming to my video and then you are watching my channel. So no, I was wrong. Okay, that's the reason what I am doing. From basic part to end part we will be seeing. Okay, so basically now that's the reason I am telling you these all things. If you already learned in your academic, just you want to know how you are doing a program and all, then you can skip, you can move forward and then you can have a look. Okay, that I will not discuss. Okay, so basically if you see, if I give 1, okay, it will be 1 here and also it will be 1 here. Okay, if there is a 1 here, then what will happen? It will get connected and my VDD, will it come? It will not come. Okay, there is no connection, right? Okay, when it is high, then what will happen? If there is any voltage here, like suppose for example here I have 5 volts of voltage, then these 5 volts of voltage will be going to your ground. So that's the reason here the voltage will become 0 volts. So that's the reason low I will be getting if I give a logic 1. Okay, if I give logic high, then I'll get a low. It is satisfying, right? This CMOS is always built. Top will be your PMOS and bottom part will be your NMOS. It's this together. Okay, this together is nothing but your CMOS. That is nothing but this. Okay, so that is the thing. If I give 1, now you have understood about the 1. Now let us see, if I give 0 logic to my inverter module, then what is going to happen? If I give 0, okay, then what happens? Here it will be connected at 0 because here also is 0 and here also 0. Okay, here it will be short, but here no connection. Okay, so what are the voltage present at here? I'll get at my output. So if it is like 5 volts, okay, if it is like 5 volts, I'll be getting here 5 output at my output. So whenever my input is 0, I'm getting VDD here. Simple. That is a CMOS inverter. Okay, whenever it is low, I'm getting it high. So now what we'll do, we'll implement this module in our backend tool. Okay, so hope you have understood. If you have understood, then it will be nice. And if you want this thing to be seen, if you want to draw the circuit diagram and anything similar kind of thing, then you can have a look out. Okay, this is your simple diagram of your CMOS inverter. Okay, so for doing this, already I have told you, if you want anything or related to this, then comment below this software, about this software. So I have already told you. So now this is nothing but DSCH 3.8 version I am using right now. Okay, now let us verify the same thing whether we are getting with this tool or not. Okay, this is a simple tool, we are using it and then we are verifying. Here we have a PMOS, here we have a NMOS, right? Let me connect it. Okay, right click, now select your line tool. Okay, here there is a line and this is your line. Okay, now what you do, you drag and drop your VCC. This is your VCC and drag and drop your ground. Okay, now what you require an input, right? If you require an input, you can have your input here. Okay, and as usual, take your line, select the line and just select it. And for the output verification, you require some LED or some kind of thing. Okay, so that's the reason I have taken an LED here. Select your line and join them. Okay, this is the basic diagram which we have seen in this. Okay, now what I am going to do, I am running my modulation. Now if there is a zero, okay, if there is no voltage present, I am giving here zero, then my voltage, my LED is on. If I on it, see, now you can able to see the switch is open and this is closed, which I have explained, right? And here the LED is off. So this is how it is working. Now many of the members we tell we don't require this kind of thing. So if you want to delete it, some anything, click it, delete it. Okay, now I require this is a clock. You take your clock, take your line, and this is how you go. And you can double click on it and you can tell for how many nanoseconds you want to give 0 and for how many nanoseconds you want to give it 1. So I am giving it 1000 nanoseconds, and also I'm giving it 1000 nanoseconds. Okay, let me click on OK and let me run it, and you can able to see for some time it will be on and for some time it will be off. For example, let us stop it and let us see the diagram. Okay, the clock was always at 0 and the output was always at 1. Okay, right, no problem, but it is not working, right? It is not working as same as clock, so don't use it. Okay, just remove it. Let us remove it, remove these things, and where my window has one, select font, edit, view, symbol, library. Okay, here my this thing is there. Now similarly again I have bought it, and take your line and then you click it. So this is the basic diagram which I want to tell you, and you can have your simulation results also. You can able to see on off on off on off. I am doing right. After running it, after closing it, you will be finding your graph. Okay, again I have run it. Okay, let me close it, and you can able to see on off, and this is the thing. This is your input and this is your output. Okay, so that is the thing. That's all for today's video. In this is a small inverter circuit which we have designed. Right? So after this also we have many things to do that will be discussed later on. Okay, now we will be discussing how to design. Okay, designing in my main, if you see my title also, you will be finding how to designing of an inverter using DSCH. Okay, designing of an something. Okay, some XYZ using DSCH. We will be having this series of videos. We will be continuing it, and then we will be implementing it, and then we will be looking out. Okay, till then, stay tuned to my channel. If you like this video, please keep a like button. I have found that no likes I am getting it. Okay, so support me if you found this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.